Okay, good morning, welcome to
GreatMath number 165.
GreatMath number 165. So this is a problem you were working on today, and it is a super challenging problem, right?
Yeah.
It's actually from a college math contest called the Mandelbrot contest. Are you in college?
No.
Okay. Are you going to be in college next year?
No.
Okay, so this is a little bit tricky, right?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Let a and b be positive integers. If a factorial over b factorial is a multiple of 4, but not 8, it's not a multiple of 8, but it's a multiple of 4. What is the largest possible value of a minus b? Okay. So, let me ask you a question. What do you think about this, the difficulty of this problem?
It's pretty hard.
Pretty hard problem, yeah. Okay. What can we do to understand this problem a little better?
Make it simpler.
Yeah, but how?
Well, we can start with small values.
Yeah, let's start with some examples. That is a very good idea. Let's start with some examples and see if we can figure out what's going on here.
So, we need to have a multiple of 4, which is 2 squared, but not 8, not 2 cubed.
Okay.
So, let's see. So, it needs to have exactly 2 2's.
Yeah, it needs to have exactly 2 2's. A factorial over b factorial.
So, we can just start. We can start with like small number, like 2 factorial.
Uh-huh.
It's 2 times 1, but that doesn't have enough 2's to begin with.
Well, remember, we're looking for a factorial over b factorial.
Yeah. But if this doesn't have enough 2's, so even if we divided it, would still not have enough 2's.
For what?
It needs to have 2 2's.
Okay. All right.
So we can go up to 4 factorial.
Okay.
4 factorial, that is 3 2's. So 4 factorial, and we can do over 2 factorial to take away a 2.
Uh-huh.
And that would have 2 2's.
Okay, so 4 factorial over 2 factorial. What is 4 factorial?
24.
24.
So it would be 24 over 12.
Okay, so hey, good. We found an example where we actually have a multiple of 4, but not a multiple of 8. And what's the difference between these two?
Well,
Between a and b in this case?
well, that would be 2.
2, okay.
2.
So we know the greatest value of a minus b is at least 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can we go larger? Let's see. Well, if we go up to 6 factorial, that adds 1 more 2. So now we have 4 2's on the top.
Uh-huh.
Now we have to take away 2 of them. Well, we can't do that exactly.
Okay.
So we need to add more 2's because we can't take away the exact number of 2's.
All right.
So we can go to 8 factorial. 8 factorial would have 7 2's.
Okay.
So we need to take away 5 of them to have 2. So has 5 2's in it. Well, 6 factorial, again, that would be 1. I think 6 factorial, I think, only has 4 2's in it.
Okay.
So, again, I don't think we can take away that many exactly.
All right.
So, 10 factorial. 10 factorial would have 8 2's.
Okay.
And need to. So, but this isn't possible again.
Okay.
Take away many, because you have to away. You'd have to take away. You can't do that exactly.
Okay, so let's go back to the beginning.
Okay.
We're trying to look at a factorial over b factorial and find something that's a multiple of 4,
Yeah.
but not a multiple of 2. Okay, I want you to try, you've already found one
Yeah.
where the difference was 2.
Yeah.
See if you can find one where the difference is 3. So the difference, now what was the one where the difference was 2?
It was, I think it was 4 factorial over 2 factorial.
Okay, good. So there's one where the difference was 2. This was 12.
Yeah.
And we found that
The difference was 2.
the difference was 2. See if you can find one where the difference is 3.
Well, 6 factorial minus 6 minus 3.
Okay.
So 6 factorial. I think we've already tried this.
All right, so does this work? What is 6 factorial?
6 factorial is 720.
Okay.
And d factorial is 6.
All right, what is 6 factorial over 3 factorial? What is 720 divided by 6?
That would be 4 times 5 times 6, which is 120.
All right, is that divisible by 4?
Yes, because 12 was divisible by 4, and this is 12 times 10.
Okay, is it divisible by 8?
8. Let's see. So, it would be, I think it is, it's 15 times 8.
Okay, good. So we're going to go on to the next movie, and I didn't realize we were already at 7 minutes.